Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
Anyway, man, thanks for stopping by.
Hey, no problem.
I just gotta go by the doctor's. I need you to look over the house for me a little bit. And it's gonna be a few hours. Is that okay?
That's okay. I ain't got anything to do.
Alright, I gotta go then. And by the way, help yourself to anything in the fridge, alright?
Alright. See you. Alright, first things first. Alright. Oh, hello. Oh man, this looks freaking delicious.
Forgot something. It's not here. Hey, have you seen my... Are you aware of what you're eating?
I don't know. Fudge, maybe?
Stop eating that!
What?
That's my stool sample! You just ate my poop!
Why would you have an entire turd in the refrigerator?
Why did you eat it? Didn't you smell it first?
I can't just go around smelling everything before I eat it. I'd go hungry.
But how could you even stomach that? I mean, how in your brain could that ever register what you put in your mouth as fudge?
I don't know, but I am starting to feel kind of sick.
Well, you should feel sick. And it's only going to get worse, too. I have AIDS. That's why I had to go to the doctor and bring that turd with me for treatment.
Oh, no. Not AIDS. Oh, damn it.
So remember, kids, always smell your food before you eat it. It could be an AIDS-infested piece of poo.